Look, if y'all friends with my like page, please report that page. Cause that like page called Cat Johnson. That's not me. Kenny is behind that Cat Johnson like page. Please report that fucking page. Please do. Please report that like page, please. Cause I did not make that page. Can y'all please report it? Now you want to talk to me on my live. Girl, get the fuck on somewhere. But like I said, y'all report that like page called Cat Johnson. That's not me on that picture. I mean, behind that like page. Kenny is behind that like page. Please report that fucking like page. I'm gonna report it my damn self. Cause I didn't even make that page. He did. Can y'all please report the like page, please? Please report it and get it taken down off there, because I did not make that like page. Kenny fat ass did it. I told him make me a like page before I fired his ass. I told him make me a like page, and he still got this shit up there after I fired his ass. Can y'all please report that like page? That Cat Johnson page. Please report the fucking like page. Have it taken down from there. Cause I did not make that. Kennylee fat ass, I fired that hoe. Please report that page, please. I'm gonna report that page too.